Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another dedicated hair video, and today's wig is from Luvme hair. So they sent me their 4x4 lace closure wig. So this is just a regular closure wig, and this is their mulberry silky straight wig. I really do like this hair color. I feel like it's very different because I was actually expecting the wig to be a burgundy wig because it looks burgundy on the website, but it came just a bit darker, so which is okay. I don't mind this. I think this is really cute. So they sent me a 24-inch wig, and I think the density of the wig is 180, but I'll list all the information that you guys need in the description bar below. And for me, I feel like I just love working with closure wigs because they're just very easy to work with, and you have the option of gluing it down or wearing it glueless, but I chose to glue the wig down today. I just used my bed hair spray. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I installed and got this hair to look silky bone straight, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
so here's the finished look and here's what the wig looks like. I feel like this wig is giving bone straight, like the hair is just so silky. So this wig is from Luvme Hair, and this is the 24-inch 4x4 lace closure wig. So this is a 4x4 closure wig, so it's just a regular closure wig. It's not 5x5 or anything like that, hence why I've obviously styled it like this. And I just love how like this is just giving bone straight hair. Imagine if this hair was jet black or like just 1B or something, but this hair color is also really nice. On the website the wig actually looked burgundy, so that's why I said, you know what, let me work with this wig. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the website, but I feel like in person it's giving more of like a, it's, I don't know, it's a bit deeper. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I really like the hair. I love how soft and silky the hair is. This is giving, it's giving bust down, middle part, bone straight, silky straight wig. So I just used my Remington straighteners to straighten the hair, and I've not even applied any hair serum or anything. This is literally the hair in its natural this is literally its natural shine. So like I said, the wig is from Luvme Hair, and this is their 4x4 lace closure wig. The length I have is 24. It doesn't say what the density of the wig is, but it feels like 180, which is, you know, just perfect for this length anyway. So I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below, so if you're interested, please check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.